My name's Bill and I am a gardener. I live in Gainesville, Florida. What caused my injury to my hip? I led an active lifestyle. I danced for 30 years and I've had a gardening business for 30 years. So a lot of up and down and jumping, splitting, running, lifting. The arthritis kept me from crouching down, of course, getting up from a seated position, getting up off the floor. Beginning with my hips affected everything connected, to my hips. So basically everything. It's a joy just to get up and walk and be able to move around. My business has been renewed, actually. Didn't realize I could enjoy it as much as I do. I feel a lot younger now.